Yes. Okay. Got it.
God, please never stop, Nani.
Yeah. I'm afraid so.
Oh fuck, it's so good! Yeah, Nani, never stop. Okay, keep going.
You originate.
What?
No problem.
Okay. Snake. Snake, are you there? Pick up.
Yes.
Okay. Snake, have you heard about Metal Gear? Snake.
I'm afraid so.
Oh no. Snake, how do you deal with a Metal Gear?
What?
Metal Gear, Snake. Metal Gear Rex. How do you deal with Metal Gear Rex, Snake?
I don't know.
Snake, how you gonna get around those guard patrols? They're all over the fucking place.
No guards, no patrolling. No guards, nobody patrolling.
We'll do your best. This is
There's
cute.
nobody here.
You fucker.
Why would you evade, you retarded Oh.
Because you just answered your own fucking question.
Holy
My name's
shit.
Snake.
Hey, sit down, Denver.
It's Snake. This is Snake.
Okay, Snake.
Liquid Snake?
What? No, you're...
That's what some Snake.
What?
Meryl. This is Snake. Meryl. Deep Throat. I just want to make sure again. Meryl. Deep Throat. Whoever he is, he's not part of our operation, but he's been giving me advice by codec.
Fucking
That's what some people call me. Deep Throat.
Stop! Nani, stop! Shut up!
Meryl. Deep Throat. Meryl. This is Snake. Deep Throat.
Fucking crying, man.
Listen. Listen to me.
Okay.
How about it? Deep Throat. How about it?
Who the fuck is Jay?
I'm fucking crying.
There's a big torture machine nearby.
I'm fucking crying. Oh, fuck, man.
What's up? Are you there?
Shut up. I'm fucking crying, dude. Jesus Christ. Hold on. Oh my god. I'm fine now. I dropped my glasses and everything. Oh my god. I almost fucking barfed, dude. Okay, I'm fine. Alright.
Wouldn't be the first time. Oh, fuck up.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Why didn't you tell us about this sooner?
I didn't have to tell you anything, Snake. Just shut up.
Call me if you find out anything.
Okay, alright. Let's stop talking. We're done, Nani. Stop. I don't need any more Metal Gear
Okay.
fucking... Okay, shut up!
I see. I see. Got it. No.
Oh, my cheeks hurt. Holy fuck. Oh my god.
What are you talking about?
Shut up, Nani, stop. Just fucking stop, man. You're killing me.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes,
Go
yes.
ahead and throw up. I'm fucking sitting in a chair. I
I'm glad
almost
to hear
did.
that.
Oh my god, shut up. This was the biggest mistake
Why should I?
Oh.
Oh.
Don't kill him. Oh my god.
Yes. Great.
Nani, you the MVP tonight, nigga, bro. I swear to fucking God.
Do you still hate me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Holy moly. Wait, Nani, say Meryl, Deepthroat, that ninja.
Meryl. Deepthroat, the ninja.
Say it faster.
Meryl. Deepthroat, the ninja. I'm nice and dry, but it's a little hard to move. Deepthroat. No, I'm serious. No one else can hear us. Go ahead. Deepthroat.
Oh my god.
Why should I? Deepthroat.
Ow. Ow, my cheekies. Ouch.
Dude, Nani,
Meryl.
you're making someone choke on their vape.
Deepthroat. How about it?
Ow. Ow, my cheekies hurt.
Meryl, I have a favor to ask. Deepthroat.
Stop. Please.
My name's not important. Colonel, this is Snake.
What the fuck is that with me?
Colonel, this is Deepthroat.
Ow.
I got a codec call from someone outside this operation. Listen to me.
Okay.
Get off my house.
Sorry, man. I didn't mean to be here. I'm fucking freaking out, man.
Take it easy. I'm grateful.
Is there a portion that says Hindy?
No.
I was trying to get you to tell Meryl to deep-throat a Hindy. Ow, God.
It's strange. It's too quiet.
Oh, God.
Deepthroat. That's
Shut
what
up.
some people call me.
Shut the fuck up. Oh, boy. Oh, yeah, my cheeks are fucking hurting, dude. You got me, Nani. You got me,
So
dude.
what?
You got me fucked up, bruh. You have me.
I'm glad to hear that.
Yeah, me too, honestly. Some fucking gold right there, boy.
God, I fucking hate you, Nani.
You almost killed me
I
for a
didn't know
moment.
that. Deepthroat.
Shut up.
But first I want some information.
What kind of information do you want, dude?
I'm nice and dry, but it's a little hard to move.
Okay. Why does Snake even say Deepthroat? Because that was the code name of the dude.
Deepthroat.
It was a code name for the dude for the Watergate scandal.
Does
Like,
the name Deepthroat mean anything to you?
who leaked all the information when Richard Nixon and his boys were over there at the Hotel Watergate. And so Kojima used that name for Gray Fox. And Gray Fox is the best character in Metal Gear history, dude. Gray Fox is fucking tight.
Have you ever heard of fox die?
No, tell me about it.
Deep throat.
Shut the fuck up and go! Fucking Deep Throat.
I hate you.
What's your point? What did you say? What do you
I hate
mean?
I hate you so much.
Nani, I've
What are
always
you
liked
talking
you.
about?
Nani, I've always liked you, but I think right now I like you more than I've ever liked you.
Leave me alone.
Fucking next level right now, dude.
Thanks.
Thanks. Man, I want to stream fucking Metal Gear Solid 1 tomorrow. Probably can beat it in one day. What a 5-hour game. If I'm like trying my best.
Nah, not even.
That would be nice.
But
Would be
go
nice.
ahead.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Snake. Yeah.
Leave me alone.
I almost fucking choked, dude. Nani, you almost killed me, man. I almost fucking threw up in my lap. Again.
I'm glad to hear that.
Shut up. Hallelujah.
I didn't mean to sound sarcastic.
Shut the fuck up, Nani! Fucking get off the... Nani, I'm done with it. Get off the fucking soundboard. Nani, I know where you live, dude.
Yeah, in Mexico.
I can't believe it.
I'm gonna fucking kill you, man.
Why?
I'm laughing now just because I'm drunk. Like, it's not even funny. I'm just laughing because I understand, like, I'm hearing Snake talk. It makes me laugh.
Leave me alone.
Yeah, I'll leave you.
Leave me alone.
I don't even want you in my life, dude.
I just want to make sure again.
Okay, yeah?
Deep throat.
I'm coming for your gay ass, you motherfucker.
Alright, I'm done.